How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply change the camera views in Asseto Corsa. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to options. In here, navigate through controls, and then you could select the controller that you were using. So if you have a controller or gamepad, if you're using mouse and keyboard, or if you have a wheel. But on the input, you want to click secondary, scroll all the way down, and you have the change camera option. So in my case, I'm going to be putting C. And for my Xbox controller, I'm going to be choosing the back button right here. So I'm also going to press this one. And simply from there, I should be good to go. If we navigate through an actual game, we will be able to change our camera depending on our keybind. So now if I press C, I will be able to change my camera depending on my preference. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.